Okay, so you ready to go?
Yeah.
So the first...
Phonics. I.
I, E, E. I is for insect. E, E, insect.
Insect.
Insect. Here's an insect.
That's our B again.
Yeah. This one's connecting nectar.
And these are hornets and they're collecting pollen, just like the bees. This one is a spider. He's building his spider web.
And look, a butterfly. Butterfly.
They're butterflies. These are all insects, all different types of insects.
Another butterfly.
Oh, what's happening here? That's a caterpillar.
Yes.
And what's he done?
He made the cocoon.
Yes, and now we're going to see what happens next. What do you think happens next?
Butterfly.
These are ants.
Ant.
You see them? They're many worker ants. They work together to lift things up. And what's that?
Ladybird.
It's a ladybird. Looks like the ladybird's drinking some water, actually.
I-E-E. Insect.
I, E, E. I is for ink. E, E, ink.
Here's some ink falling into a pool of water. See how it spreads in the water? That's an ink bottle and an old style nib pen. You dip the pen into the ink and you write with it. Oh, here's somebody writing. That looks like their signature. This is Chinese writing or Japanese writing maybe.
It's Chinese.
And what are they writing? The end. That's what you write at the end of the story. And then these people are using some ink to illustrate a picture. And here we're drawing something onto a helmet with some ink.
I-E-E. I is for ink. Ink.
I, E, E. I is for iguana. E, E, iguana.
Iguana.
Iguana is a type of lizard. Here are some iguanas and they're eating some leaves
And lettuce.
Yeah. Oh, it's a bigger one. He's a different color.
And it's white.
The stones are white, but the iguana looks like he's gray or something.
He's white.
Oh, there's somebody stroking an iguana. Look at that.
I-E-E. I is for iguana. Iguana.
I, E, E. I is for inflatable boat. E, E, inflatable boat.
That's an inflatable boat. Look, these people are pumping up the boat. They're putting air into it. And now these people are doing what's called whitewater rafting. They're rowing their inflatable boat down a river. And these are some children who are playing around in some small inflatable boats. And here's a guy, he's just relaxing in his inflatable boat by the seaside. This is an inflatable boat that's used to rescue people if they get into trouble in the sea.
I-E-E. I is for inflatable boat.